You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down the pronunciation of this word. There are indeed two different pronunciations, which makes it a bit confusing sometimes in English. So, the two different pronunciations correspond to two different functions of the word. As a noun, it's pronounced as alloy, alloy. So that's when you talk about the type of mixture of metals that are put together to form an alloy, as in an alloy wheel of a car, for example, alloy. Now, if you talk about the verb, then the pronunciation is actually alloy. So that's when you mix metals together, you alloy different metals. Okay, so you may alloy aluminium, for example, or aluminum. That's the verb. So if it's the verb, alloy. If it's a noun, alloy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.